get into a hospital or a university lab building, you've got a lot of programming. You know, how much lab space do I have? How much office space do I have? How much classroom space do I have? And how is it arranged? And so basically you're into looking at the floor plans for that. You have to get information on the internal loads. How many people, how much lighting, how much equipment, especially things like a hospital or a lab building. You have high equipment loads, you have high exhaust air loads. And so you have to get all the, collect all that information before you've even started modeling. We use a spreadsheet that we send out to our clients where it basically has different sections for all the important things that we need to know. So what are the space conditions? Well, first you have all the different spaces that you have, or sometimes the space type, if you're early in the process, they may not have individual rooms, but they know that they've got office spaces, lab spaces, classrooms, and so they might just put in a generic one of those. And then what are the space conditions? Temperature set points, occupancy, how much lighting, internal equipment will I have, how many computers, that kind of thing. How much air do I need? What are the ventilation requirements that might be set out of actually standard 62, for example, or whatever. For a lab building, how much exhaust air might I need, because this is a certain kind of really nasty stuff lab, and I have to have a lot of exhaust. And then you've got solar. This area here has to do with daylighting and solar gains. So we have a daylighting group which uses the same spreadsheet, and so they want to know how much daylighting do we want to get, do we care about views, that kind of thing. And so we send this out.